kami sa Lucas. Kasama ko ang mga girl. Carbonara day.
Oh, that noodles looks nice.
Go. Ay. Ayun. Ang laki naman pala ng chicken wings na to. Kala ko yung isang ganun lang.
Yung maliliit.
Oo. Ay, oh, sarap, ma'am.
Chicken wings? Anong sauce? Gusto ko lang KFC pag sa bahay kakainin para may kanin.
Anyway, hello! Just a little bit of an update. Today, dumating na sila ang Kitcha kasi sila Anthony and we finally told them the story. GT asked Michael to bring me some mangoes from the Asian shop just so, alam mo yun, para makadalo si Angke and actually visit us so we can tell them. I think she's so smart. Like, GT was like also giving me mangoes kasi na-homesick ako while I was editing this Filipino vlog na like leaving Dumaguete. I'll put the video up here. And it's just so nice kasi na-touch lang ako because I really miss mango shake. You know, kapag buntis, sometimes people bring mangoes as well and I think that's what her mindset was as well. So it's just so sweet. Mangoes na siya good. Look at the mangoes. Oh, ang mahal kaya nito. I think €10 for the whole pack. And it's masugura. I think I'm gonna eat this later pagdating ng halo-halo. Hello guys! Good morning! It is currently 10 o'clock ngayon. Kasi, today, pupunta kami ng Dublin to see Jokoy. If you don't know who Jokoy is, he's actually a half Filipino comedian and I really love him. Ito yung pinaka first time ko pumunta ng stand-up comedy. Tapos, you know, half Filipino pa. And si Jokoy yung pinaka favorite kong comedian kasi relatable yung kanyang mga jokes and he's really funny. Yan nga, nandito kami sa Tubin. Stop by lang kami kasi nagpagas and then bumili siya ng kanyang breakfast. Ako nag-breakfast na ako, kumain ako ng sinigang kanina, niluto ko kahapon. And then ngayon, kakainin ko itong baon ko, nagdala ko ng baon. Ang dala ko is 2 banana, 1 apple, may 1 akong boiled egg dito, orange yung na-peeled na. Diba? O, diba? Ready ang buntes. Baka kasi magutom. Ang hirap kaya magutom. Lalo na pag buntis, nakaka-bad trip. Kakagat! Mukhang masarap yung kagat mo.
So, isa tayo.
Alright, okay. Kain mo na kami kasi gutom. Actually, hindi ako gutom. Pero, I got the one with cheese and coleslaw this time. I've been thinking about it. Nakakatawa naman talaga, tignan talaga. Lampas ang hotdog.
Para let's go na kayo. Pagkatapos.
Ang tigas ng bed.
Kaya nga.
Guys, so umupo muna kami dahil kumain. Ano ba to? May sipon na ako. Sipon, tsaka medyo nagsasart yung ubo ko. Aching ako ng aching. Could be pollen or could be may ubo. I don't know. Nandito na kami sa isang piling. Ano ba yun? Bibili lang ng gift si GT para sa, like, pasulubong para sa Pilipinas. So, dito kami paakit sa gift shop and rental bar. Ay, ang ganda! Bottle your own. Whiskey? Something is feeling. Hello guys! Dito na po kami sa aming hotel. And of course, as usual, magro-room tour tayo. Wait, di ba natin? Hindi na bubuksan.
Ay, sorry.
Wait lang. Kunin ko na yung susi. Para... Nasa Clayton Hotel kami at the moment. $144 per room. So, nilagay ko na yung keycard dito. So, of course, nandito kami sa my door. And pagpasok mo, you'll see the wardrobe. Tapos, on the other side is the toilet. And typical toilet lang naman siya. May bathtub. May shower. Tea area. Tingnan natin, may hot chocolate sila. Meron silang coffee, tea, lot of tea milk. Then over here, yes! Meron silang, ano to? Fridge ba to? Meron silang fridge, yes. Lalagay ko yung mga, ano ko dyan, drink ko. Wait, lagay ko muna to. Wala silang water, no? Ah, meron. Lalagay ko dito yung, ano, para lumamig. Then, eto, ang kanilang bedroom. Very nice and orangey. Yun yung table, mirror, TV, sitting area. And then the view looks like this. Oh my gosh, what is that? What is that? Is that an outfit or something? The hell is that? Anyway, tatain muna ako kasi kanina pa kumukulo yung tiyan ko talaga. Ang sakit na. Pero tinatry kong tumae, hindi naman ako makatain ng maayos. Oh wait, merong ano diyo, electric fan if you want. I just came back from the Jokery show. It was so amazing. Grabe, nakakatawa talaga siya. As in, sumakit yung puson ko sa kakatawa. And ang ganda talaga, as in, all yung jokes niya, majority of it is very relatable. That's why he's my favorite stand-up comedian. And he's also half Filipino. He did have King Bash and also Joey as an opening act for him as well. And ang galing din nila, sobrang nakakatawa din sila. And so worth it talaga. You know, I love Jokoy even more. And you know what? It's really funny because I felt like I was at home dahil ang dami-daming Pilipino. And then I got to see some of the Filipinos that I haven't seen in a while, like people I grew up with and people na mga titas and titos and friends, and it was nice. But yeah, Jokoy, I would totally go and watch him again once he does have a tour here in Ireland again. He's so funny. As in, benta lang talaga sa akin yung mga jokes niya. Busog na busog ba? Ayun talaga yung totoong tiyan ko, guys. May halong taba na yan at saka laman. So yeah, 10 weeks ako today. Dito na kami sa Burger King. Dito kami kakain.